In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your Todoist data. Whether you're migrating to a new task management tool, need a backup of your projects, or simply want to analyze your productivity trends, exporting your Todoist data is a straightforward process. I'll guide you through each step to ensure you can accomplish this task smoothly and efficiently. First, let's start by accessing your Todoist account. Open up any web browser of your choice and navigate to the Todoist website. Once there, you'll find yourself on the landing page. Look for the login button, usually located in the upper right corner of your screen, and click on it. This will lead you to the login page, a gateway to accessing all your tasks and projects. Upon arriving at the login page, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure to type in the email address you used to register your Todoist account. Accuracy is key here, as it ensures you'll gain access to the correct account. After you've entered your email, it's time to input your password, choose the password field, type in your password carefully, and press the login button to proceed. If you've entered everything correctly, you will now be successfully logged into your Todoist account, where all your projects and tasks are just a click away. Once logged in, direct your attention to the Today view in Todoist. You'll likely find yourself already in this view after logging in, but if not, just look for the Today tab, usually positioned at the top or in the side navigation menu of your Todoist dashboard. This section gives you a bird's eye view of what's on your plate for the current day. Now let's navigate towards the section where we can start exporting our data. Click on the Home button in your Todoist dashboard. This button will direct you to an overview of all your projects. From here, you can choose which project you'd like to export data from. Suppose you have a specific project in mind, find that project, and once you have it in view, look for three dots or an option button typically found next to the project title. Click on these three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. In the drop-down menu, you'll find the Export as CSV option. CSV files are versatile and can be opened by most spreadsheet applications, making it a great format for exporting your tasks. Go ahead and click on Export as CSV to initiate the data export process for the selected project. After choosing to export your project as a CSV file, you'll be taken to a final confirmation screen. Here you'll see an Export button. Click on this button to finalize the export process. Your browser will automatically start downloading the CSV file containing your project data. Depending on your browser settings, you may be prompted to select a download location, or the file will directly download to your default downloads folder. It's important to note that the CSV file will include key details about your tasks, such as the task name, due dates, priority levels, and any labels or comments attached to them. This information can be invaluable for analyzing your productivity, planning future projects, or migrating your tasks to another tool. Let's recap the steps we've covered today. We started by logging into our Todoist account, then navigated to the Today view. We clicked on the Home button to see all our projects and selected a specific project to export. By clicking on the three dots next to our project title, we accessed the Export as CSV option. Finally, we clicked on Export to download our project data as a CSV file. Remember, exporting your data regularly is a good practice for data management and backup. It ensures you always have access to your crucial task lists and projects, regardless of what the future holds for your task management tools. That's all for today's tutorial on how to export your Todoist data. I hope this guide has been clear and helpful. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Happy organizing!